How to log into Temu account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about logging into your Temu account. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store and then click on the search bar and type in Temu. Once you find the application, tap on install, or if you already have installed it on your device, and if you see an update button, instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After it has been updated, tap on open. There in the home page, you will get 4 different options. That is, you can continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, even with your email and your phone number. If you tap on your Google account, you will be given a list of Google accounts that is logged in your specific device, and you can tap on any one Gmail, or if you already have linked your email to your Temu account, you can go ahead and tap on continue with email. Then enter your specific email address in this box. Now simply type in the correct password in this field. And after that, log into your account and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can log into your specific account in Temu. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.